is Late, and welcome to a Roblox video. My brother's crying right now. What? What's wrong? It's recording right now. It's recording. You're making a video right now. That's as long as he can go.
What he doing?
He's crying because his video is not working. I should tell. Okay, whatever. Anyways, sorry, my brother was like being. Okay, this is like a really awkward moment, guys. Okay, guys. What are we didn't get it back?
Oh, you want a kid?
Oh, your phone's about to go dead, so what's the point?
That was just
SpongeBob.
Gosh, you can't kick me out of my own room. You tell me anything. Oh, can I do something to your ear?
No.
Why?
So let's play this cool game called Roblox Auto.
Don't cheer you up. Don't cheer you up.
Sorry, my cousins are in the background torturing each other. My cousins are in the background torturing each other. Stop! Leave me alone. I'm gonna get this, guys. Okay, this looks very.
That is him. That is so funny.
Stop! Leave me alone.
Dudes.
Wow. Stop here. Who am I getting here?
No.
Stop. Who am I getting here? Hello, guys. So let me steal this person's car.
Oh!
Darn it! Okay, guys, so let's get in the car. Please be ours, please be ours.
Oh!
What? I just bought this car. Why is it saying security enabled? You suck. Okay, let's try to get this. Try to get this. Get this. Try to get this. Or maybe that car on top is mine. What happened? Yes, let's go. Oh no! What? What's it called in? Oh. No, that's his car. Where the big is my car? Oh, give me one of those.
They come play with us. That is mine. First of all.
Oh, so can I have some?
I'll give you one piece if.
Oh, can I have one of those Oreos? M&M's?
Not Oreos.
Here, I want one of those
Turn
M&M's.
off your room light.
They taste disgusting. Give me one of those M&M's.
No, you're angry.
She always says that.
Come here. Okay. Please be our car.
It looks like your cow. I'm Tavia's
Yes,
cousin.
finally. Finally. Come on, get in the car. Let's go.
What are you playing?
Come on, get in there. Go. Oh, come on. Give me money.
No.
Like a good neighbor, stay from here. Yep.
Cool.
No, mad drifting skill, guys. Mad drifting. No, why you not working? Oh, I'm good. So I'm gonna go like over here. And, oh,
I'm gonna do what Beast Boy did in an episode of Teen Titans Go.
I'm just gonna park here.
Excuse me, guys. So this is what Beast.
I'll be back right in a second.
He's eating candy. And if you could see the candy that you were eating,
You would want it all. You wouldn't talk. You should go. Sorry guys, I got candy in my mouth.
Turn the TV up because y'all was being loud. Y'all coming here and y'all still loud. Y'all should go back in the freaking room where y'all was at. Jamelia, do one more thing. I swear to God, I'll punch you in your face. Goodness. Shut the fuck up or go in the room. All four of y'all. Choose. Right now. Hey, y'all better not be yelling y'all out here.
He never act like that before with you?
No, he never.
I know. He's mean.
Okay, I'm gonna park my car there.
Oh, dude, I'm about to get
Okay,
now we see.
can I buy anything? Can I buy this? Don't have enough money. Don't have enough money. Still don't have enough money.
Really, why you ate it?
No money.
Hey, what?
No money. Okay.
Yesterday, I ate a giant candy cane.
It was quite delicious. Okay. Let me get in my awesome car right here. Okay. Let's why am I getting the passenger seat? That's just so. Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end the episode here. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new to it, and see you in the next episode. Bye.